Now, Eck is actually my print pal, and to me, this is like a game, designing, and part of our game is that he sends me the instructions. So to help me get started, he sent me this book of instructions. The first part is to break out the cut parts. Now that will be fun. If I think of this like a game, pretty soon I realize it has a lot of parts, and I better get them organized. When X sent me the laser sheets, all the parts were labeled there.